Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, where are mosquitoes found? Mosquitoes are blood-sucking pests that make everyone miserable. They're active in warmer climates, although the temperature range can vary based on their species. Because most species need standing water to lay eggs, mosquito activity will pick up after it rains during warmer months. Standing water can collect in a number of man-made features like rain gutters, old tires, bird baths, storm drains, sidewalks, or any container left outside to collect water after it rains. Your lawn itself can hold stagnant water if there's poor aeration or if the soil's too compact. If you're really unlucky, you might have mosquitoes that lay eggs in moist soil. Not much water is needed in that case. If you plan on treating for mosquitoes, you'll need to conduct a thorough investigation of your property to locate and address any areas of standing water. Then you can treat your lawn with Reclaim IT or Flex 1010 to kill the mosquitoes and their larvae. And then sit back, relax, and cancel that move to Antarctica. You're now mosquito-free. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. If you're lucky, you might even have if you're unlucky. I was like, what is so lucky about that? It's like, if you're unlucky,